Lash Fam, welcome back to my channel, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the last video. If you didn't check it out, make sure you do. We did how to make handmade fans using regular volume lashes, which I haven't done on my channel, so check it out. Today's video, we're going to be teaching you how to make spikes. This is great for wispy sets, wet sets. They're super popular right now, and I have the perfect trick, you guys, to make it so easy every single time. So we're going to jump right in. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, share the video, of course, and thank you guys for being here for another tutorial.
Okay, so you're gonna go ahead and grab your lashes. You can use regular volume lashes or actually easy fan, it doesn't matter. And then you're also going to use a primer. So make sure you grab one of your favorite primers, and you're just going to take a little applicator, something like this, dip it into your primer, and then you're just gonna glide across the top of your lash extensions, and it's gonna create these beautiful little spikes. So you can go ahead and reapply that as you need to. So it's already kind of created these little spikes. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna grab as big or as small of a spike as you would like, and then dip into your adhesive and bond that base together. And once you've done that, your lash is gonna stay completely together. I'm gonna go ahead and put them on this little demonstration for you, and then I'll show you guys it at the end. But it's so easy to create these spikes for these wet sets or these, spiky looks you guys wanna do. And this is like the easiest way to do it. And just bond your base together, create that perfect spike, and then go ahead and just place it onto your natural lash. Now, remember, if you're using 0.05s or 0.07s, be mindful of how big of a spike you're picking up. You obviously don't want to do too big. And then obviously, if you have more of a 0.03, you can create those bigger spikes. So this is one of my favorite ways to create spikes. Wet sets are like so popular right now. So if you haven't tried them, if you guys want a tutorial, let me know. I'd love to do one. They're so fun. They're super, super popular. And while you're doing this too, you can create like little small fans. You don't have to just do the spikes with it. So if you do apply, a primer to create spikes, you can still fan them out. When you create a wet set or a wispy set, you still can pinch and make like a tiny, because you don't want to make super wide fans when you're making a wispy set, so you can still pinch and make the fan however you need it to be. This is just a little trick to making the perfect spikes. So like I said, if it dries up and you start to see them separating, just go ahead and reapply the primer onto the tips, and you can just keep spiking away. Make sure you guys like this video. It's something that I love to do when I'm doing my spikes. It's just something super easy. So we'll go ahead and make a little fan again, because we like to have different, dimensions and different fans in our wet sets. And that's what creates the look to keeping it, looking different. You gotta have different fans in there. So super simple. Again, guys, just grab your lash primer, dip it in with a little spoolie, and then voila, you have spikes for days. It's the easiest, most effective way to do it, and it just makes it super, super easy. So I didn't have a little sponge, but I did just create my own little thing to show you guys. So you can see spikes versus little open fans. That one's falling over, of course, but try this out. Let me know what you guys think. It's one of my favorites. Again, so easy to create these spikes, and you only need a primer and your favorite lashes. And again, you guys can use this with easy fans. So if you do use easy fans, try it. But so easy, so freaking much fun to play with this and just create and be creative. So make sure you guys give the video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching.
All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, learned something new. Make sure you guys subscribe. As always, make sure you guys share the video, and if you want to see anything specific from me, drop it in the comments down below. Like I said, we're going to be making a ton of content for you guys, so anything you recommend, let me know. Make sure you guys check out my Amazon storefront, which is linked in the description. It has all of my Amazon must-haves. This is great for beginners or just any lash tech that wants to, bulk up on certain things. Check out Amazon. It's amazing. Other than that, if you want to try LBK, you can download our app and you can get 20% off your first order. And I think that's it. I love you guys and thank you for tuning in.